Qtum technical analysis coming right at your coupon. I'm Rocky Outcrop. Hit that like button. Thanks so much for joining me. If we take a look at the charts behind me at the minute, you can see it's the 4-hour Qtum USDT chart, and this is of course a big old cup with handle possibility. Two things to really be concerned about right now, one of which is either we move towards the top side past significant resistance and aim at that target of $5.50 right here right now. The other one is of course that we fail, go down towards the downside, breaking past our key areas of support there, and go towards a 50% retracement from the lows that we had over here, bringing us into the $2.69 section of price action, forming out that handle. I'm going to deliver you all of the details of that and more in this episode, which will last no more than 2 minutes from now, so be sure. Right, so instead we can see over here on the 4-hour DMI that things are structurally looking pretty good with a nice movement towards the top side. This is very, very, very healthy. Comparison wise on the 24-hour time frame, you can see that we are actually looking really pretty healthy as well, taking out that 30 area and of course sloping upwards on that ADX. Everything that you want to see for the potential of the upward trend. There is a little bit of the old bearish divergence here on the 24-hour time frame within that wedge, something that's worth considering there looking at that RSI. There's also the bearish divergence here on the MACD. What do we see on the channel when there's bearish divergence on the MACD? That's right, look for a wedge on the charts, and very much doing that here is what we have done. And that means that if you have these two scenarios, one is the cup with handle is formed, the cup with this purple shaded round section, the handle target towards the downside here coming in at $2.70 ish, and then the target off of the measured move then the target towards the top side actually lining up with the same sort of target is what we're looking at on the wedge. There is a difference though, and what is that difference? Well, this measured move off of the wedge, which is the complete measured move off the wedge, is the 60% Bulkowski textbook measure move for the cup with handle. If we see a movement down the way, I would still expect to see that movement up. If we see a movement beforehand without the handle, then consider that to be slightly front run, and your target then becomes $5.52. If you're looking for that upper side target, it's talking about $6 overall for us. That's what we're currently talking about with regards to the prices for Qtum. However, in terms of managing your risk, which is what you really want to know about, if we see prices dropping down below the $3.50 area, it's absolutely spot on to think that we could go another dollar down. That's something I wouldn't like to sit with a long bag during. And of course, then you've got your two trading the range targets in the meantime. This is where most sensible traders will probably limit themselves. I'm not a financial advisor. None of what I say is financial advice, but we're looking up here towards $4.20 and down the way towards $3.40 as your current trading range within this wedge. If we see a breakout happen as well, we might want to look towards retests of it, but we'll cover those bridges when we burn them. I've been Rocky Outcrop. You'll be tuning in next time again, I'm sure, as you've hit that like button already, right? Nice one.